Today's Latin phrase is a priori. It is also pronounced a priori, British pronunciation. It literally means from earlier or from the beginning. It's deductive reasoning. You know it without experience. For instance, if I say all sisters are female siblings, this is a priori. Let's look at another practical example. A chartered accountant is an expert in accounts. That's a knowledge. She is a chartered accountant. That's a fact. So, conclusion, a priori, she must be an expert in accounts. From the knowledge to the conclusion. Now let's look at some other sentences to know how it's practically used. There is no a priori reason to believe that you will be harassed. Another one. This is a new field with no a priori hypotheses to work with. Third one. There seems to be no a priori reason to believe in your assertions. A priori. You can use it in your everyday English. Thank you for watching this video, liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.